Hi, I'm Marion Brown from Brown Fitness. I have another Tabata for you. This will be body weight only, cardio. We'll just be doing jumping jacks and skaters. So kind of easy. You can make it harder or make it easier. So it's good for any level. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today we'll be doing Tabatas. So that is 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of rest. We'll be doing jumping jacks. So either low impact, or you can do your jumping jacks, regular jumping jacks, and then just skaters. So just back and forth, either step touch, you pick what's right for you, or you can skate it out. So skating, push off, like that, chest out, shoulders back. So I'm going to put the music on and we are going to get started. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Welcome to Tabata. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3,
jumping jacks.
Go.
You can take it low impact.
Round 1.
Don't forget, whatever works for you. Skaters are next. So skating back and forth. You can push off.
4, 3, 2, 1, go.
You can do it to the music or you can go faster. The carpet's going to slip, so be careful. Yes. Breathe.
Round 3.
Catch your breath.
5, 4, 3, 2,
and let's
1,
go.
Go.
Make your pick. The one you're doing.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Skaters are next.
Round 4.
How you feeling? We're almost halfway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Keep that chest up, shoulders back. Drive those arms through. Pushing off.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Yes, take a rest.
Round 5. Halfway there.
We are halfway.
3, 2, 1, go. Round 6.
Skaters are coming up next.
5, 4,
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Keep it going. Keep it strong. One more each.
Round 7.
Round 7.
3, 2, 1, go. Round 8. Last one.
Last round. Are you still with
5,
me?
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Yes, I'm out of breath. I hope you'll join me again. Great cardio. I have lots of workout programs online, so click the links below to find out what I have to offer. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.